Incremental development. In today's class, we will be discussing about the idea behind incremental development approach and some of the advantages and disadvantages of incremental development model compared to the waterfall model. Now, let us start with the incremental development model. Incremental development model is based on the idea of developing an initial implementation and exposing this increment to the user command, and by looking into those commands evolving it through the several versions until an adequate system has been developed. Here in the figure, you can see that in incremental development, specification, development, and validation activities are interleaved rather than separate. They are concurrent activities. There is a rapid feedback across the activities. You can see arrows passing in between the activities. It shows a rapid feedback across these activities. Incremental software development is a fundamental part of the agile approach, and this approach is better than the waterfall model for most business, e-commerce, and personal systems. You can see in the figure several versions of the software is developed, that is initial version, intermediate version, and final version of the software has been developed. The each increment or version of the system incorporates some of the functionalities that is needed by the customer. Now let us look into the some of the advantages of the incremental development approach. Incremental development model has three important benefits compared to the waterfall model. The first advantage is the cost of accommodating changing customer requirements is reduced. It means that the amount of analysis and documentation work that has to be redone is much less than the waterfall model. The next advantage is it is easier to get the customer feedback on the development work that has to be redone. It means customer can comment on the demonstrations of the software, and they can see how much has been implemented, how much modules has been implemented. Then the third advantage is more rapid delivery and deployment of useful software to the customer is possible even if all the functionalities has not been included. That is, the customers are able to use and gain the values from the software in the earlier stages itself, which is not possible in the waterfall model. Now, let us see some of the disadvantages of the incremental development model. The incremental approach has two problems with it. The first one is the process is not visible in the incremental development approach. The second disadvantage is system structure tends to degrade. It means, as in the incremental development approach, the approach produces different versions of the software, and when you keep on adding these new increments to the system structure tends to degrade. So in summary, we can say that incremental development approach is one of the better approach when compared to the waterfall model, where you can add new functionalities as per the customer requirement, and the customer satisfaction is obtained in the middle of the development process. Thank you.